Okay, so we're in Beach Bar Island. We're going to have a bite to eat and come and have a look on the beach today. And it's busy, it's pretty busy, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Just look at it, absolutely stunning. Alright, we'll have a tour in a bit and we'll have a look round. Okay, so we've just sat down in Island Bar on the beach, Thassos Beach. Very nice in here. We came in for drinks last night and we're going to try the menu. We've ordered a chicken club sandwich to share. It comes with fries as well, €12.50. It's not a bad price. And Rich and Jill are going for a margarita pizza at €14. Yeah, we've got a bit inundated with wasps around on the beach today. There's lots of wasps. Yeah, lovely views, but the wasps are a bit of a nightmare. We had to move sun lounges because the wasps were everywhere. So, there's a few less, but I think they're going to be annoying us throughout our lunch. But only in the last couple of weeks the wasps have come out. So until the last 2 or 3 weeks, there were no real wasps anywhere, but the wasps have come out. So we're going to get a smoker and try and smoke the wasps out. Yeah, we brought over the plate and they're starting to come round already. Yeah, apparently Thassos Island at the moment is swarmed with lots of wasps. I think the nests have either been disturbed or something's happened. Okay, so chicken club sandwich came out very, very quickly. Looks very nice, honey, yeah?
Looks lovely.
Yep.
Yeah.
Look at that. Looks good. And the smoke you could see.
Cheers. Yes. Yum.
We've got a smoker to keep the wasps away. Food looks very nice. So
I know I'm okay.
we're going to tuck in and see what it's like.
Shots at done here.
We've got the margarita pizza. Looking good.
Probably. Hi everyone, we are in the Island Beach Bar, just having our lunch. It's really nice, and I'll spin you around and you can see what everyone's had, even though we've eaten ours already. What did you have for your lunch?
I had a shared club chicken sandwich and chips with yourself. It was very nice, very tasty.
Mythos.
A bottle of Greek mythos.
What did you have for your lunch? Jill, what did you have for your lunch?
We shared a margarita pizza, very nice. Lots of cheese.
There's the remains of the pizza because it was absolutely huge. And it must have been good because they've eaten it. So, yeah. So we're right on the beachfront. It's very busy here. Yeah, really busy. And we just sat just down there on those chairs. And the sea is beautiful. It's quite shallow, really calm, very shallow. Absolutely lovely. We might go on the submarine later and see what that's like, but we'll vlog it if we do go on it. And I think it's €15 each for half an hour, and it just takes you around the bay and have a look at what fish are under there. So we will see.
Okay, so we've just eaten our lunch, been into Island Bar, right by the beachfront. Nice food, just perfect, just what you need for a light snack for a bit of lunch before we go out later tonight. So let's walk down past the bars, all on the beach. It's quite busy, lots of different beach bars they've got here. So we'll do the back and then we'll walk around the front across the beach. But no, it's very pretty down here. Nice sand as well. Very calm sea. Very calm. Very shallow as well. You can walk out a fair way before it gets deeper. It's very nice. Some good tunes in Island Bar. Next bar down as well. Seems to have some good tunes playing there. Stratos. which is more of a fish restaurant. Lots of different tavernas. It's one thing I do like about Greece. You have lots of different tavernas right on the beachfront. Ice creams as well. I bought €2 for a cone of ice cream. That's a pretty reasonable price, I think. Got a lifeguard there as well. Not a very busy job because there are no waves. It's so calm, so peaceful. And you might be able to see in the distance you've got the ferry which is coming over from the mainland. So every 30 minutes they depart from the mainland to Thassos and back. Yeah, it's about just a 35-40 minute journey. Not too bad at all, to be fair. It's only 15 minutes from the airport to get to the ferry terminal. So here another bar, Aqua Bar. Yeah, free sun lounges. So where we're staying in Island Bar, it's a minimum €15 per person. But you know, by the time you've had a couple of drinks, you've added some lunch, you're going to spend the €15 anyway. So that's not too bad. You know, I'd rather spend €15 with food and drink included than without. So quite a few places do charge you, you know, €10-15 on top of any drinks that you might have. So you could get value for money more here in Greece. So there we go. This is Amos bar here. And another little taverna. And again, a lot of the beach bars have their main restaurants just over the road. So they just walk over the road with your food after you've ordered it. But yeah, it's very pretty. We'll walk all the way down. See if we go to, I think it's Canaggio Bar, something like that. It looks quite nice, quite posh, but I think it's quite expensive. But we'll walk on down, we'll have a look. Don't know if you can see from here how calm that sea is. We'll get a closer look on the way back. Yeah, it's lovely. So, little areas there to change in if you need to, and a little toilet. Oh, it's quite warm this afternoon. After about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, the temperature definitely heats up. So this is the end of the main Thassos Beach. Let's go and walk on down there. Let's go and see if we can find this. I think it's Canaggio Bar. Let's go and have a look. Right, and then down here in the distance, once you've passed all the beach bars, there's a bar called Carnaggio Bar. So lots of parking area down here. And yeah, this is quite a posh sort of beach bar. So we'll go down and we'll have a look, see what we can see. And I'll just show you on the left hand side, you can see the little submarine. It says a submarine, but it doesn't go underwater. It's basically a glass bottom boat. Okay, so this is the little submarine, they call it. So you just go down like you would in a submarine. So just heading over in our direction here. I think we're going to do that later on. It's €15 for 30 minutes. Just goes round the bay, around the corner. So you can look at all the fish and then it just comes back. So yeah, it doesn't take long at all. We're going to give it a try. We'll vlog that a bit later. My Thassos Cruises Greece. And yeah, the submarine's actually called Nemo. So smiley little face on the front. Calm sea, beautiful Aegean Sea. Lovely colours, absolutely beautiful. So let's see if we can head down a little bit to Carnaggio Bar and have a look. Looks very posh actually. Looks very nice. We won't go too far in because there's lots of people, but yeah, they've got quite posh sun lounges, nice big thick cushions on them. Very calm and relaxing. So very nice white. That's one about Pebbles, not Pebble Beach. So it's more of a like a cocktail bar in the evening, this one. Look at that, look how calm that ocean is. A bit rocky around here. It's got your white pebbles. Yeah, very nice. Not easy to get into the sea here though. We've got lots of little rocks, so I think you need water shoes around here. Right, let's wander back. Let's wander back to the main beach bars, and we'll go across the sand and have a look from the sand point of view. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. So someone's coming around back from a boat trip, or a half-a-day boat trip. The sea is just so glorious and calm. So relaxing. Okay, let's go and walk down the main beachfront. Right, so this is the end of the main Thassos Beach. People are just relaxing, enjoying themselves. Let's walk on right by the beachfront. Alright. Look how calm this ocean is. So calm. Absolutely glorious. Yeah, it's quite shallow. Quite shallow indeed. You can go out a fair way before it gets deep. But yeah, absolutely glorious and calm. So loads of sun lounges. Very busy beach. Very popular. It's not a big beach. This is being filmed at the end of August. Yeah, it's very relaxing, very calm. So I think it's time to have a dip in the sea, I reckon. It's a bit too warm not to enjoy it. Let's have a look. That's pretty much all of it. The last few beach bars, and then we got the old harbour in front of us. Okay, we'll catch you later on. Hope you enjoyed that.